I will tell you how to make a origami kusudama with 3 sections. How to make its parts, preparation of assembling its parts. How to assemble its parts. Before making it, please have 12 pieces of origami paper. You can choose the colors freely. This time, I will use 4 sheets of yellow, orange, and red paper. Put origami paper on the desk and turn it over so the colored side is down. Do a valley fold so that you can see colored side after you fold it. Open it so that colored side is down. Do another valley fold to match the middle line you made before. Do a valley fold on another side. Open it so that the colored side is facing down again. Fold each diagonal to form a triangle to match outer line. Do a valley fold to match the middle line again. Fold the same diagonal you folded before so that it matches each side. Do another valley fold so that it matches the side edges. Open it. Do a valley fold to make triangles with edges side and side. Put what you folded before into the crease. Do it on the other side. Fold it at the middle line. Fold each parts in the half. Fold each part in half. That's all. Thank you for your hard work. Make another 11 parts. Next, I will tell you about the preparation of assembling its parts. Please leave 3 parts before assembling. If you use 3 colors, please pick different colors. Put one part's tip into another part's side so that they fit tightly. Put the other parts tip into their side and make a trigonal pyramid. Make 2 more blocks. That's all. Are you looking forward to assembling these parts and finishing it? Let's move to section 3. In this section, you will assemble 3 blocks and 3 parts you made. Put one of the tips into another block's side like section 2 and make 4 trigonal pyramids. Put them into the vacant space to make trigonal pyramids using the 3 parts you didn't use yet. That's all. Thank you for your hard work. Did you enjoy making it?